Hello, Keelers, and welcome back to another major Camp Nou construction update. The transformation of this iconic stadium continues to impress, with every visit revealing something new. And today, we'll take a closer look at one area that has changed dramatically in just a matter of days, alongside several important developments taking place across the site. So let's begin our full tour and see everything happening right now at Camp Nou. We begin today's tour at the South Goal area, where work on the compression ring continues to move forward rapidly. Over the last 24 hours, another compression ring box section has been installed, adding to the growing structure that is gradually closing the remaining gaps. Large quantities of materials, including box sections, pillars, and radial beams, remain stored on site, showing that installation work will continue at a strong pace in the coming days. The compression ring is becoming more complete with every visit, and workers are already preparing additional components for installation, highlighting the steady progress being made in this crucial phase of construction. Moving now to the first VIP ring, interior work continues to move forward, with partition walls becoming increasingly visible and several areas already prepared for the next finishing stages. With these spaces expected to play an important role in the stadium's early operational phases, progress here remains particularly significant. Another interesting update comes from the future Barca store area, where the diamond structure continues to take shape. The seating section is now clearly visible, while preparations for the landscaped rooftop remain part of the project plans. From this viewpoint, the stadium continues to look more complete with every passing week. One of the biggest developments today can be seen around the mobility core structures. Workers have now started installing the first facade anchors that will eventually support the lamas. These new anchor points are appearing on both the upper and lower sections of the mobility core, marking an important step toward connecting the surrounding facade sections into one continuous exterior system. Once completed, these areas will visually link together the neighboring sectors that already feature lamas, creating a much more unified appearance around the stadium. Moving over to the lateral side of the stadium, work continues across several construction fronts. Inside the structure, crews remain active around the stair areas, while exterior teams continue preparing different sections for future facade installation. The mobility core in this zone has not yet received the new facade anchors seen at South Goal, but the support structures are already in place and ready for the next stage. At the same time, workers can still be seen carrying out various interior and structural tasks, keeping progress moving throughout this section of the project. The diamond access structures continue to be one of the most active construction zones around Camp Nou. Recent demolition and preparation work has already cleared the way for new concrete construction, and several sections are now moving into more advanced stages. These diamond structures will eventually support the access control systems and entry gates used to manage spectator flow into the stadium. While some diamonds are still in the early preparation phase, others are progressing much faster and are already showing significant visible changes. One of the biggest surprises today comes from a diamond structure that has advanced dramatically since yesterday. Areas that were fully shuttered only a day earlier have now been concreted, with formwork already removed from several sections. Additional areas behind the structure have also been prepared, showing how quickly work is progressing despite challenging weather conditions. The speed of construction here demonstrates how efficiently crews are moving through these smaller diamond structures compared to some of the larger versions built elsewhere around the stadium. Just a short distance away, construction has officially started on another new diamond structure. Workers have begun installing support beams and temporary structural elements that will form the framework for the future concrete sections. Large numbers of workers are concentrated in this area, suggesting that progress could accelerate significantly over the coming days. Given the level of activity already visible on site, this structure is expected to develop rapidly throughout the summer construction period. Although much of the visible structure is already in place, some important steel installation work is still ongoing. Crews continue positioning additional structural components in upper sections of the stadium, particularly in areas where several beams and support elements have yet to be installed. Cranes remain active throughout the zone, helping workers complete these remaining structural tasks. Another encouraging sign is the growing presence of sandwich panels around the mobility core zones. Panels are now staged and ready for installation, indicating that enclosure work will soon begin in additional sections. Several mobility cores are gradually approaching the stage where exterior cladding can move forward more aggressively. As more panels are installed, these structures will begin to look far more complete from the outside. Arriving at the north goal area, one of the most noticeable changes is the installation of new lamas. A section that previously only featured prepared anchors has now received its first lamas, confirming that facade work continues to expand into new areas of the stadium. This follows weeks of preparation work and alignment adjustments that had already been completed in the sector. The addition of these lamas continues to transform the stadium's appearance and brings the final facade design increasingly into view. The compression ring also continues to advance on the north goal side. Additional components have been delivered to the site, while workers remain active across several elevated work platforms and support structures. The north goal section is gradually catching up with other areas, and more installations are expected in the near future. With construction progressing simultaneously from multiple directions, the ring is becoming one of the most impressive features currently visible on site. Another important development can be seen in the corner section, where a new escalator has arrived on site. One escalator has already been installed inside the structure, while another unit is now waiting for placement. Its arrival represents another step forward in the stadium's internal circulation systems, which will play a key role in moving thousands of spectators efficiently throughout the venue. Installation work is expected to continue either in the coming days or early next week. The Tribune side remains one of the busiest sections of the entire construction site. Numerous elevated work platforms and construction teams are operating throughout the area, particularly around the facade support systems. Workers have continued installing connections and brackets that will eventually hold future lamas, extending preparation work across larger portions of the structure. This section is steadily moving closer to receiving visible facade elements of its own. Another positive development at the Tribune Mobility Core is the installation of new sandwich panels. Panels that were not present during the previous visit have now been installed, while additional units continue to be lifted into position. After a period of relatively limited activity, this mobility core is once again showing strong signs of progress. The gradual enclosure of these structures is another clear indicator that construction is moving into increasingly advanced phases. One interesting observation today comes from the corner area, where several lama support structures have been removed. Supports that were previously installed in multiple locations are no longer present, creating a noticeable change compared to earlier visits. The reason for their removal remains unclear, but it is possible that adjustments or modifications are being made before work resumes. This will definitely be an area worth monitoring closely during future updates. Overall, Camp Nou continues to move forward with major progress across the compression ring, facades, mobility cores, and diamond structures. The transformation is becoming more visible with every visit, and there's still plenty more to come in the weeks ahead. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.